As a Google Ads specialist, I help businesses generate thousands of leads. The key, proper conversion tracking. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to set up Google Ads conversion specifically for lead generation. I will cover everything from creating conversion actions in Google Ads, implementing the tracking code using Google Tag Manager, to testing and verifying that your conversion actions are working correctly. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe. I drop weekly Google Ads tips to help you grow your business. Alright, let's get started to set up Google Ads conversion for leads. First, we need to create the conversion action in Google Ads that will track your lead conversion. Make sure you are logged into your Google Ads account. On the left side menu, click on Goals and select Summary. In the Summary section, click on the Create Conversion Action button. Then select Save and Continue. Choose Submit Lead Form as the conversion category. This is the type of action we want to track when someone submitted a form. Select Add Conversion Action. Select your website. Then click Setup and choose Create a Manual Event. Enter here your conversion name, or you can keep this default. Everything is fine. If you want, you can change the click-through conversion window. It's depend on your goals. Make sure to select the Use Enhance Conversion for this conversion action. Select Done. Once you have created the manual event, click Save and Continue to proceed. At this step, Google Ads will generate a unique conversion ID and conversion label, which we will use later in setup with Google Tag Manager. Next, set up your Google Tag Manager account. Tag Manager allows you to manage and deploy marketing tags without editing your site's code directly. Visit tagmanager.google.com and click Create Account. Enter your business name and select your country. Enter your website name. Choose Web since you will be using GTM for your website. Click Create and review Google's Terms of Service. Agree and click Yes to continue. Once the account and container are created, GTM will provide a container code. Now we need to add the Google Tag Manager container code to your website. First, select the container ID and copy the entire code provided by Google Tag Manager. Then log into your website admin panel. Navigate to the Appearance section and select the theme file editor. On the right hand side, find and select the header.php file. Paste the container code right before the closing tag. Then click Update File or Save. Great, the Google Tag Manager container is now successfully connected to your website. Now we'll need to add a custom HTML tag to dynamically capture the form submission information. I have provided the necessary custom HTML code in the video description box below. Please copy that code and create a new tag in GTM. Click Add a new tag. Select Custom HTML as the tag type and paste the copied code. Name the tag clearly, for example, Custom HTML-CF7. If you want, you can use any preferred name. Set the trigger for this tag to all pages. Click Save. Now let's preview in the Google Tag Manager. Enter your website URL and click Connect. The Google Tag Assistant should confirm that it's connected to your website. Submit a test entry through your form by filling in your details in clicking Submit. After submission, go back to the Tag and Variable section in the GTM preview mode. You should see a CF7 submission event. When you check the data layer, you will see the information you just submitted, confirming that the event is capturing data correctly. Now let's set up the actual Google Ads conversion tracking. Go to the Tag section and create a new tag. Retrieve your conversion ID and conversion label from ads.google.com where you have previously created your conversion action. Paste these details into the respective fields in GTM. Since this form does not directly involve transaction or conversion value, leave the blank fields. For triggering, create a new trigger using the CF7 submission event you captured earlier. Save this configuration. You can enter here any custom name. Additionally, let's create two more tags. One is conversion linker tag. Create a new tag, select conversion linker. Set the trigger to all pages and click save. This tag helps Google track conversions accurately by managing cookies. Second one is for enhance conversion tag. Create another new tag and select Google Ads user provided data as a tag type. Paste your conversion ID here. Copy the conversion ID from your conversion section. Select new user provided data and enable options for capturing email and phone variables from the form. Then select Save. Assign the CF7 submission event as the trigger. Click Save. Your Google Tag Manager setup is now complete. Submit the container, enter a descriptive version name and click Publish. Now preview your live setup once more by entering your website URL and clicking Connect. Submit another test from entry using the Google Tag Assistant. You will confirm that the CF7 submission event fires correctly and the triggers both the conversion tracking and enhanced conversion tags successfully fired. Now let's confirm in Google Ads. Go back to your Google Ads conversion section and refresh the page. You should see that the conversion you set up shows recent activity, confirming your configuration is accurate. That's it. You have successfully configured Google Ads lead conversion tracking with Google Tag Manager, including enhanced conversion for improved accuracy. Here is a quick demonstration of how it looks on my client's account. You can see that all submitted leads are accurately tracked, conversion status is active, and enhanced conversion data is properly collected. With this setup, you will now accurately track your lead submission and enhance conversion for your Google Ads performance. Thanks for watching this video. If you need help setting up Google Ads conversion tracking or managing your campaigns to grow your business, I would love to assist you. Feel free to book a call with me using the link in the video description box or send me an email. My contact details are also below. Let's work together to take your business to the next level.